Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Well, with the inclement weather we're experiencing in South Africa at the moment, it might not be a bad idea to install a foldable indoor wash line. That way, when it's raining outside, at least your washing can get dry. So what we're going to be doing today is installing this ProLines foldable wash line in this very garage. It consists of 7 lines in total, about 1.5 meters wide, which is good enough for at least 2 loads of washing. Simple to install. Let me show you how it's done. So this is what you'll need to complete this task: an electric drill, an 8mm and a 10mm masonry drill bit, a measuring tape, pencil, a ratchet set or an adjustable spanner. So the first step is to place the small bolts with the washer through the hole in the bracket, making sure that the bolt also goes through the first eye of the chain. Screw on the nuts on the other side of the bracket, making sure it is nice and tight. Step number 3, place the hook bolts through the small 5mm hole onto both the side of the arms and secure with a nut. Then we'll place all the rubber grommets into the holes on the side arms. Carefully knock together the plastic right angles into the side arms, then secure the other side to the main length. Then we'll mark off the holes of the brackets and drill the appropriate holes. A good idea when you have to drill a large diameter hole is to drill with a smaller drill bit first before going in with the larger drill bit. That way you don't mess up your larger drill bit. We'll put in the wall plugs and then we'll screw the bracket down with a 13 spanner or your ratchet. So I've got a little handy tip for you. Nylon cords have a tendency to unravel, especially at the ends. To make sure that doesn't happen, all you need to do is take a lighter, just gently burn the end. Make sure that you don't burn the whole cord. But once that's done, it won't unravel again. And your final step, with the wash line securely in place against the wall, you can thread through the line, securing it at one end and then finishing off at the other. There we go, your wash line is up. Well, right now, actually it is down. But that's the whole beauty of a fold-away wash line. It is a space-saving solution. Right now, yes, you can pull your car back inside here, and if it's raining outside, put it back up and keep your washing dry. So, quite a great idea, and maybe you should invest in one. Well, for more projects like this and more, go to our YouTube channel, or you can visit our website, which is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.